3 essential things you should know about cryptocurrency. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 important things that you should know about cryptocurrency before you invest. Digital currencies, unlike many other investments, are incredibly complex and risky. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are intriguing because they are unregulated by governments, limited supply, and privacy in financial transactions. However, they are also extremely complicated to understand and can only be purchased through specific online venues and are no longer cheap, which experts say make them a risky investment. Don't buy cryptocurrency because it's trendy. You have to know how to decipher between investing and speculating. If you decide to become an investor in cryptocurrency, only do so with what you can afford to lose and always have an exit strategy. Also, keep your eye out for cryptocurrencies surrounded by less hype that have the potential to build on Bitcoin's strengths. Know the technology. If you are interested in investing in cryptocurrency, you should know how the technology works, how you can use it, and the value it creates. The quickest way for an investor to lose money is to buy into an asset class that they don't understand. You also need to know the fundamentals, like that blockchain technology is a technology that can be used by anyone, while cryptocurrencies are store values, just like other currencies, making their value little to do with the underlying technology. Keep on top of regulatory attempts. Soon, more and more governments will start to announce plans to regulate Bitcoin by controlling the transfer of money into it. This also means that they could launch a major investigation to target the more than 100 million in unpaid taxes related to cryptocurrency gains. Potential investors need to determine if there are compliance risks, legal issues, and regulatory risks before investing in cryptocurrency. The key to understanding these risks is transparency. When it comes to cryptocurrency investing, it is important to remember that what goes up can also go down. Volatility goes both ways, which means that your investment in digital currency can go back to zero just as quickly as it can go up another $1,000.